So Peter emailed me about air fryer easy every day, and he reckons he's found an error on the front cover of the cookbook. And he is right, there is an error on the front of the cookbook. As you read it here, it says, air fryer easy every day, 100 super simple, delicious recipes from Sam and Dom of Recipe This. That includes metric and imperial measurements, and it's for the dual basket and oven air fry types. But what was the error, you may be wondering? It was this bit here. Because what happens is I'm sent a cover in advance to share with you so that you can get an idea of what the cover's going to look like. You can have a nosy, you can see what's on the front, you can see what's on the back, and in fact, I am actually contracted to produce 100 everyday recipes for you. Not 80, not 120, not 140, but just 100. But I want to over-deliver, and I want to give you the best ever recipes that I can. I make sure that there's no pictures of us posing with air fryers and things like that, so that we can fit in a lot more recipes. So when I get the first version, they automatically put 100 here. Because they haven't done a final count up on the recipes at this point. And now, of course, this is what it really looks like. We have the 140 there. So if you thought I was telling everyone there was 140 recipes and there was only 100, then no, there really is 140 super simple, delicious recipes in this cookbook. They are everyday ingredients, they are easy to cook. They're just so simple, and I've converted a lot of people to using the air fryer because they just cannot believe just how simple these air fryer recipes are. So if you've not done so already, don't forget to head over to recipethis.com/books and pre-order yourself a copy of Air Fry Easy Every Day, and also grab our other cookbook, the Complete Air Fry Cookbook, which is brilliant for air fryer beginners.